Hello everyone, my name is Luz Adriana Ojeda Rodriguez. I am 30 years old. I live in the city of Bogota with my parents and my little brother. I work as the library assistant in the library Gabriel Garcia Marquez Tunal. I am currently studying 5 semesters of zootechnics at UNAT. I belong to Jose Acevedo y Gomez. Now, I'm going to tell you about the trip we made together with my family. They went to the towns of Tocaima, Girardot, and Biota. We started in the city of Bogota, and we could see many of the landscapes that hide out of the city. We find new roads and place full of nature and a love of beauty. When arriving our destination, we always looked for typical food and a pool that was close by, since the head was getting bigger and bigger. Now, maybe the most important recommendation I can give to travel to this place is that we don't know travel at night, since some parts of the road don't know have good lighting and have many dangerous curves. As to what to wear, we should always think about health. Therefore, it is good to wear some protection, comfortable clothes, and always be hydrated to avoid a bad time.